What is up guys, this is Fact Circle. You're watching some psychological facts, so let's move on to the video. Did you know the earth gets 100 tons heavier every day due to falling space dust? A guy in Toronto is renting out his balcony for $25 per hour so you can take an Insta pic. Did you know a chef toe contains 100 folds? The average person can survive for 5.5 hours buried in a standard coffin before running out of oxygen. The average person swears 80 to 90 times a day. Hey guys, if you like my video, please do subscribe. There are around 4 quadrillion bacteria on earth. Snails have 14,000 teeth and some can even kill you. Cheese is the most stolen food in the world. The inventor of tricycle personally delivered two to the Queen Victoria. Beauty and the Beast was written to help girls accept arranged marriage. The youngest mom in history, Lena Medina, was just 5 years 7 months old when she gave birth to her 2.75 kg son. There are 2 credit cards for every person in United States. Did you know the world's largest plane is wider than 2 football fields? Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur. In Iceland, it's illegal for parents to discipline their children with scary stories about fictional characters. The human eye weighs only 7 grams and its average diameter is 24 millimeters. Most people fart around 14 to 23 times a day. Kangaroo rats are the animals that never drink water in their entire life. Meet Yu Jingxia from China broke her own world record for the longest eyelash, measuring 20.5 centimeters. The leaf sheep sea slug, the only animal that can photosynthesis. Did you know some people feel uncomfortable when the TV volume is not divisible by 2? Medical errors are the top cause of deaths. A girl's favorite song will tell you more about her feelings than her lips ever will. A psychological study confirms that the presence of beautiful women ignites stupid behavior in men. 350 million people of all ages around the world are suffering from depression. Did you know aeroplanes have horns and can honk? There is the only one stop sign in entire city of Paris. No one has been allowed to fly over Taj Mahal in past 15 years. The US Navy has 75 trained dolphins to detect enemy swimmers and underwater mines. Did you know tsunami survival pod made and sold in Japan? Having a dirty mind makes ordinary conversation much more interesting. The world wastes about 1 billion metric tons of food each year. Headache treatment 1890 vibration therapy. Hey guys, if you like this one, please do like, subscribe and see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.